ladies, it's your girl, Miss Rachel Adina. So in this wash day video, I'm going to prove to you how you can eliminate excessive hair loss and improve your hair's volume and body through making a few tweaks in the shower and a few tweaks with your natural hair care routine. So let's get right into it. So what I'm doing is just loosening up all of the dirt on my scalp before I wash. This helps me eliminate that second wash, and also it helps me reduce a little bit of the frizz and the drying that comes from excessive washing. So let's do a little bit of a length check. I will give you guys a more thorough length check, but my hair is a little bit past waist length. It's right above my tailbone, but I know I need to trim my hair, but I'm kind of excited about the length. So this has been my shampoo. This is the CoCo Creme curl quenching shampoo from Carol's daughter. It's probably my favorite, but I'm going to get into the reason why I think washing your hair once is probably all you need as a naturalista. Ladies, I came to the conclusion that a lot of our natural hair uh-ohs are coming from the wash day routine. And I'm not going to sit up here and lie. I make a lot of the mistakes everybody else makes. And I realized while watching this video to edit it for you guys that I washed my hair twice. And while looking at the first wash, I definitely had more than enough suds to suffice for just one wash, and that's it. But I had decided, you know what, I'm going to go and do it one more time. And I've been wondering, hey, why is my scalp so dry? Why is the hair on my roots so much harder than the hair at the ends and doesn't have as much shine, as much definition, and it's often very hard for me to get those curls to pop? Well, that's the reason why. So ladies, tip 1 is wash once and done. I don't care if you gotta sit under the water a little bit longer, start singing some songs, I don't care. If you wanna put a little bit of apple cider vinegar to break up the dirt and the oil, do that. But do not wash your hair, even with a sulfate-free shampoo, more than once. I have learned this the hard way, and trust me, I will never do it again. So as you can see, I am still rinsing the shampoo out of my hair. That's because there was so much shampoo put in my hair in the first place. So if you add up the water and all the different things that I'm doing while I'm just carefree, living my best life, right? It took me forever to get all the shampoo out, which also means that my hair lost a lot of its natural luster, its natural shine, and lost a lot of its natural oils. So ladies and gents, tip 2 is more shampoo equals more deep conditioning. The more you wash out your hair's natural oils, its natural shine, its definition, the more you're going to have to use deep conditioners and products to help restore it. So one of the reasons why I decided to make this video for you guys is that I have 2 babies, so I'm a mama, yay! But I've experienced excessive hair loss twice, 2 times around, about 3 to 4 months after having each child. But what I've noticed with the second one is that my hair loss kind of goes in waves. So a few months my hair can be looking perfectly fine. I'm having a moderate amount of shedding every wash day or just every style. But a month can come where I experience excessive hair loss in the shower, and that's always around the time when I stop taking my prenatal or postnatal vitamins. It happens when I'm a little bit stressed out and I'm not getting enough rest. So I've noticed that if you don't take care of your body, excessive hair loss is almost always on the way if you're a mother. So tip 3, ladies, is try a tea rinse and take your vitamins. This green tea rinse has caffeine in it, so it really helps with hair loss. I learned it from my favorite naturalista on the internet, Natural85, and I have learned this from a lot of naturalistas who agree with the Ayurvedic method for hair growth and also reducing excessive hair loss. So what you see right now is me finger detangling my hair with a liberal amount of my Aussie Moist Total Miracle Conditioner. And my hair is quite tangled. That's because it was too much washing going on in the first place. But also because, I don't know, my hair's just been a little bit crazy lately. So what I like to do is I still like to use my Denman Brush, but I'm definitely thinking about switching and getting a tangle teaser instead. Using a wide tooth comb doesn't really work for my hair. I don't know why it doesn't, but I've noticed that I've actually lost a lot more hair trying to do things like the wide tooth comb and also finger detangling because I'm just a little bit too rough. So I'm gonna braid down the ends and I'm gonna go into my next tip. So I know a lot of you guys are looking at this Denman brush and you're like, Miss Rachel Adina, it's the Denman brush, period. Throw it away. Use your fingers. Use a wide tooth comb, okay? But let me show you the difference between using the Denman brush with a little bit of water from the shower head opposed to standing in the shower without the water hitting on my hair. So let me show you how much hair I got from one side versus the other. Now that's crazy. I know y'all thought it was gonna be a ton more hair, but look, the difference between using water and then just kind of standing outside ever so graciously doing it the other way. So my hair is completely detangled, but ladies, before I go on to this tip, I want to make sure you all know that I am going to try some other detanglers out. Leave some recommendations in the comment section, and also let me know what are some other reasons that you think that I had more hair loss on one side than the other. So tip number 4 is perfect your detangling method. Whether that's finger detangling, Denman brushing, tangle teasing, wide tooth combing, make sure that you're focusing on your method, making sure that you're using ample conditioner, ample water, and how your hair responds to that detangling method. So my hair is all fully detangled and I'm just adding a little bit of this Cantu Moisturizing Activating Curl Cream to just add a little bit of moisture to my hair. And also to just get it a little bit conditioned before I blow dry it for some braids, because Hurricane Dorian is coming. Do you guys know that I live in Central Florida? We've been running around looking for flashlights, eating into our hurricane snack stash, and I'm just trying to get my hair braided up because what I don't want is to have my hair out in some crazy twist out and to have no power, no AC, feeling hot, and a dirty head because I did not wash it. So I'm gonna blow dry and put my hair in some braids, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. But this is all my hair loss, ladies, and trust me, it has been worse than this. So ladies, my last step is give her a break. Give yourself a break, give your hair a break. Get some rest, take your vitamins, live your best life, stop stressing, honey, treat yourself, you deserve it. So ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned and watching my content. Make sure you send up a little prayer for everyone that's going to be involved in Hurricane Dorian. I live in the Central Florida area, so it's not going to hit us till Tuesday night, Wednesday. So just think about Miss Rachel Adina and her family. God bless you guys. You mean so much to me. Please engage me in the comment section. Hit the notification button for more like this. And like this video if you're still watching. Thank you so much. Bye.